Para si Buhay, pass to Susti naman. Buhay na po. Buhay, pass to Ihaw. Direk. Lalong, lawas ang tubig. Direk. Nakita ang pass to Direk. Gawas kanan. Gawas yun. Ayaw na sa perimeter. Direk base. Jersey number 14, flash for 2 points. Dea, pass to Saison. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 1 point. 10 seconds to shoot. Dalawang strikes. Again, rebound by Saison. 10 seconds to shoot. There is a fake pass to Saison to Boral. Pass for 2 points. Lugod. At 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Nagita, 1 point, Nagita. Nenoy, Nagas. Pass for 1 point. It's a foul. Intentional foul. Kay Duya. Drives. Good for 1. 5 minutes and 35 seconds for our pass for 2 points. Yes, sir! Nakita. Good rebound by Nakita again. Good for 1 point, Nakita. Rebound by Jiragan. Yes! Good for 1 point, Jiragan. 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Nakita. Going to 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Again, Roland Nagas. It's a basket down committed by Nagas. Nagas pass to Nakita. Nakita drives easy out. Yes, sir. 1 point. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Raaga Supers, 1 minute and 17. Boral. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 15. Good one. Gimbo, winner, time of volley. Thank you, Villains. Sorry, ulit kayo. Player of the game, Yuri Nakita, sponsored by Bertin Durduco. Awarded by Bertin Durduco. Happy awarded by Bertin Durduco. Yan na.